Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about entity authentication, that is biometrics and passwords, which comes under cryptography and network security subject. So first we will see about what is mean by entity authentication. Entity authentication means it can able to verify the identity of a particular criteria. So under that there are three criteria. First one is password, second one is token, and then third one is biometrics. So password means what you know, so token means what you have, and biometrics means who you are. So this is the keyword for these factors. So finally we can conclude that entity relationship means it is a combination of three factors. First one is password, second one is token, and then third one is biometrics. Password means what you have, token means what you have, password means what you know, and biometric means who you are. So next, the core authentication factors are listed below. First one is something you know, second one is something you have, third one is something you are, and then final is goal. Okay, we can discuss about one by one. First one is something you know. So something you know means what is the content we have for opening a particular task. That is password, PIN number, or it may be a passphrase. So these are the secret codes for opening the documents. Next, second one is something you have. That is, it is a digital tokens. It is in the form of smart cards or security keys or any apps it is used for security purpose. That is authentication purpose. Third one is something you know. So that is what we have. That is for authentication purpose. That is fingerprints, voice, or facial recognition. That is unique biological or behavioral criteria. Next one is goal. So after confirming these entities, we can able to give access for the particular app. Next one is password authentication. Here there are two criteria. First one is specific mechanisms. Second one is pervasive mechanisms. Specific mechanism means it is a layers based safeguard techniques, that is encryption, digital signature, access control mechanisms. Second one is pervasive mechanism. Here it is a general purpose safeguard. So whereas specific mechanism means it is a specific safeguards, pervasive means it is a general based. That is for an organization it will be worth for trusted functionality, security audit, and it is also useful for security labels and recovery. Next one is biometric authentication. The overview of biometric authentication is it can able to identify the individuals based on their physical or behavioral characteristics. So first we will see about physical characteristics, that is physical biometrics. So we can recognize a person using their fingerprints, iris or retina patterns, and also based on their facial recognition. Next criteria is behavioral biometrics. So we can in behavioral biometrics we can recognize the things or we can authenticate the things using signature recognition and voice analysis. The main steps are the verification purpose is biometric authentication. So there are two types. First one is physical, second one is behavioral. In physical we can recognize a particular person by fingerprints or iris and retina patterns, and also the third one is face recognition. In behavioral biometrics we can recognize a particular criteria based on their signature or voice analysis. So we can compare password as well as biometrics. In password, the main advantage is it is easy to implement. but we can't able to remember all the passwords. So it is the disadvantage of password. When we move forward to biometrics, so it is unforgettable. It cannot be shared easily to anyone. The main disadvantage is we need an expensive hardware, that is the cost will be high when compared to password recognition. So and it cannot be easily changed like a password. So next one is multi-factor authentication. It is a combination of two or more authentication purpose. Thank you to all.